So I wanted to show you something that I just received from Mapiful, and I got it right here. I haven't opened it yet, but I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna open it. So these are the hangers. I took it in white because I felt like it really matches our place, and even if we do move somewhere else, I know I like beige or white colors, so it would always fit my kind of aesthetic and colors. Then here you got your map. So I will hang it after just to show you, but it's pretty big. Mapiful is actually an amazing website where you can customize your own maps. There were so many different options on the website that it just took me forever to make up my mind and finally choose a place, because there was actually a bunch of cities where I kind of traveled to and I fell in love with those cities, and I was like, it would be so cool to have them on map. But in the end I decided to choose Tokyo because we lived there with my boyfriend for a while and I just fell completely in love with that city. And one thing that is really cool is that you actually put like the GPS location on, and then it kind of gives you like the city, like the map of the city, but you can zoom in or you can zoom out of the place. Tokyo, for example, if you put that on a GPS location, you will get more of the ocean side, but I decided to zoom in so we can actually see some neighborhoods where we've been. Then you can customize like the headline and underline. So for example, I decided to put Tokyo, and then here you can actually put the coordinations code, but I decided to put the years instead. And here you can actually write the name of the country, so for example France, Germany, USA, anything. But I decided to write Japan, but it's actually written in Japanese. You can also choose the colors, so you can have blue, you can have pink, you can actually have a humble color, which is a bit more vintage. I decided to go for modern, which is a bit more classic with black and white. Then of course you can actually change the size. I got it in medium, which you can see is like half of my size, I think so, but you have a smaller one and a bigger one. I think it will make the perfect gift for someone if you have like a specific place where you travel together, or a city that you really like, or just like the night skies maps. Again, it's customized and it's really personal. By the way, Mapiful has free shipping worldwide, and personally free shipping is something that I will always considerate, so that's just amazing. Anytime a website has like free shipping, I'm like, yes. Definitely check out my Mapiful website, so all my links will be in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. And I'm just gonna hang that and show it to you. Do a few changes in the bathroom as well. So I bought a lot of empty jars and empty bottles, so I can just refill them with my shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, stuff like these. So I thought I might show you the before and after, and also like the whole process to see how it looks like. This was here as well. I bought it in September. It smells so incredible. It's from Aesop and it's the Mandarin hand wash, so really like it. But as you can see, I just bought a few bottles which are totally empty, and then you can put your conditioner in that. And then we also got this. So I just finished, and in the best case you have like a labeler, so you can actually put a tag on each bottle so you know what's inside. But for that it's fine because you can clearly see the difference between the conditioner and the shampoo because of the color and the consistency. But yeah, obviously every single time you do something like that, it's better to have like a tag labeler, like I said. I'm actually thinking of trying Olaplex hair conditioner because I've seen so many good reviews about that. So I'll keep you updated with that. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did in my bathroom for today. I actually did the same thing in my kitchen, so I'm just gonna show you because I don't really enjoy having like the supermarket bottle in my kitchen. So I just received this book for Christmas, and I don't know if you know the brand Big Mama, but it's a big group of Italian restaurants in Paris. They actually opened a few in London as well, and so the food is amazing, and they launched their own recipes book. So today I think I'm just going to do the risotto. I just bought the ingredients to make that for lunch, and it looks amazing. I also want to make the one with truffle. I'm back home and I wanted to show you a few things that I do to just decorate my apartment a bit more, but it's really not finished at all. I'm trying to make something out of it. For example, we got this pampa right here, like we got a bunch of them. What we need to do with that is to actually find a pot. Okay, this is actually my Lululemon yoga stretching stuff, but for now that's what we found to make it that way, but we definitely need a pot. It's just I'm really difficult when it comes to pot. Like I want a big one, but I want a color, like a translucent color or like transparent one, or maybe a brown color one, and also like the shape. I'm really complicated with that, so I haven't found the perfect one yet, so I'm still searching for it. Then another plant that we do have is this one. So for example, I love this vase. This is totally my color and my vibe. And yeah, so one of my tips for your apartment or for your house is just to add a bit more plants. So I love dried plants such as these because you don't really need to care about them. Another tip for me as well would be to get yourself some table books. So I got this one which is so beautiful, and even like the pages and stuff, but just the hardcover is super nice. I love the title here. And so you just got yourself a bunch of table books. I also have a few recipes books that I can put here, and then I just put like a big candle right here. So this one smells so incredible, but actually I'm looking for a white one, so I think I'm just gonna buy a diptych one because it really matches like the book and also my rug here. But yeah, it really kind of gives you a bit of structure on your table. But again, I'm not a fan of this table as well, because to me, like, we have wood here, we also have, okay, don't look at the messy kitchen, we also have wood all over the kitchen here, so I feel like it's a bit like too much wood. I would have preferred a white table or marble. I don't know, I feel like marble we've seen pretty much in everywhere, so now I'm a bit tired of marble. But maybe a terrazzo one. Yeah, I'm definitely thinking of changing this table with a white color. Now I need to clean my messy kitchen in the background. I also need to work on a few stuff that I just signed up for a few days ago. I am so freaking excited. Like, I've been wanting to start that for 3 years maybe, and I'm so excited to learn about this and to, okay, I'm not gonna give in more details, but it's something I'm really passionate about and I wanted to have more knowledge about this. I definitely wanted to have something more professional, so I need to work on that. And then because it's Sunday here, I need to plan my week ahead. I need to do my to-do list for the week. I need to do my weekly schedule on my computer. I showed that on the previous videos. And I also need to make my weekly meal plan. And then I will also like brainstorm a few recipes I did. By the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please check that out, because I post a lot of written recipes, a lot of reels and stuff like this with what I eat in a day. So if you need more inspiration about food, about recipes and yummy snacky treat, then just go over my page. But yeah, I wish you a very good weekend and a very good start of the week. Hopefully this video will be up by tonight. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos and more content upcoming, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.